In this video, we will show you how to export a commitment change order entered in Procore to your company's Sage accounting system. Before you can export a commitment change order to Sage, two criteria must be met. First, the project must be synced with a job in Sage. The projects that have the green ERP-linked banner next to the project name in the portfolio list have been synced with a job in Sage. The projects that do not display this banner are not currently synced with Sage. Second, the commitment that the change order applies to must also be synced with Sage. You can see which commitments have been synced with Sage by opening the project and going into the Commitments tool. Each commitment for the project is listed here, and you may notice the colored banners. These are here to make it easy for you to determine the synchronization status for each of your commitments. A green banner indicates that the commitment was successfully exported from Procore to Sage. Those with different colored banners, or no banner at all, have not yet been synced with Sage. To learn about different ways to sync Procore projects and/or commitments with Sage, you can visit our support site at support.procore.com. To demonstrate the process of exporting a commitment change order to Sage, I'm going to start by opening one of the synced commitments. And now I will go to the Change Orders tab. Here I have a commitment change order that I entered in Procore, but it has not been exported to Sage yet. Let's take a look at it. Once the commitment change order has been created in Procore, the next step I need to take to make it eligible to be exported to Sage is to click the Send to ERP button. But you may have noticed that this button is grayed out and not available to be used at the moment. To find out why, I just need to hover my mouse over it. And a message is displayed that indicates why it is not available for use. In this case, the reason I am not yet able to send this change order to ERP is because the status is not yet approved. I will go ahead and approve it now. And now the Send to ERP button is available, so I will go ahead and click it. This makes the commitment change order available under the ERP Integrations tab, so it can be approved by an accountant and then exported to Sage. By navigating to the company level and then selecting the ERP Integrations tool, the accountant can access the area where they can accept or reject the change orders. As a part of the implementation of Procore, certain members from the accounting team at your company were given the authority in Procore to review and either reject or accept and export financial information entered in Procore to Sage. This requires a special permission that can only be granted to users by an employee of Procore, so if you ever need to add new accounting approvers in Procore, reach out to your Procore point of contact for assistance. With appropriate permissions in place, the accountant can now navigate to the Change Orders sub-tab. And any change orders that have been sent to ERP, but that have not yet been approved or rejected, will be listed here on the Ready to Export filter. Here is the one I just sent to ERP a moment ago. In this view, change orders are sorted by job, and for each one, there is a hyperlink that can be used to open the change order. And there is also a PDF link you can use to view this in a PDF format here. After reviewing the change order, the accounting approver must choose to accept or reject it. If there is missing or incorrect data on the change order, the accounting approver should select the option to reject it. When I select Reject, a comments area appears. In the comments, I can indicate why I am rejecting the entry. When a change order is rejected, the person who clicked the Send to ERP button previously will receive an email letting them know that their entry was rejected, and any comments entered will be included. So it is a good idea to make sure and include your reasoning here so the person who sent it knows why it was rejected and what they need to do before resending it to ERP. On the other hand, if the information for the change order is complete and accurate, use the Accept button. And all I need to do now is click the Export button. Please read the warning message, and as soon as you are ready, click OK to continue. The export is now being performed. While it is exporting, you will see this message, and it will update when it is completed to let you know that it was successful. Now that the export is completed, the change order will now appear in Sage, and in Procore, it will move from the Ready to Export filter to the Synced filter. I can check the status of any of the commitment change orders for the project by going back to the project, navigating to the Commitments tool, and then viewing one of the commitments. All of the change orders for the commitment are listed on the Change Orders tab, and here you may notice the colored banners. These are here to make it easy for you to determine the synchronization status for each of your commitment change orders. A green banner indicates that the commitment was successfully exported from Procore to Sage. A blue banner indicates that the commitment change order has been sent to ERP but has not yet been exported to Sage. A brown banner indicates the commitment change order has either failed to export or has been rejected by the accounting approver. And any commitment change orders that do not have a banner at all have not yet been sent to ERP for accounting approval. And to make it really easy, you can hover your mouse over any of these banners for an explanation of what the current synchronization status for the commitment change order is. Thanks for watching.